Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me DJI OM 5 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the follow speed on this device. To do it, you just need to open the three dots button on the DJI application. You need to use DJI Mimo app, and then you need to click on the three dots button, and here click on the gimbal icon, and here you will see the follow speed feature, and you need to change it. But to change it, firstly we need to enable the following. So just find the object, active track not supported in current shooting mode. Okay, we need to change the shooting mode. To change the shooting mode, we need to click on the M button on our device. Here we will enable the so video mode. And now when we are in the shooting mode, it's not too easy to record in this way, so sorry. So click on the three dots button, and here you'll see the gimbal mode, follow and follow speed, change to fast or to slow, for example. And now, for example, I'm really fast following, but when I will open slow, as you can see, gimbal is following very slow. So here is the difference, as you can see. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.